So for making lucky stars, you're gonna need colorful paper strips of width 1 cm and length 25 cm. And you're gonna need a scale and a scissor. And now we're gonna press it gently with our nails on the sides. And that's it, our paper lucky star is ready. So just like this one, I have made few more paper lucky stars. So you can make these easy lucky stars at home just using paper strips. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, so please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and like this video, share my content and comment. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.